Some call it mess. I call it art. What about that? Really light. That's really light. And then the last is lovable. Look at that! Look at that thing. Now we have the teeny little lines for the legs. It is called a giant. It is called a giant Goliath spider. And it's even bigger than a tarantula.
Are they poisonous?
Yes. It's one centipede.
It's a very long centipede.
And can dig.
That's a spider web. Shall we cut it?
To put in home. And that's so ridiculous.
What's ridiculous?
This look, it's so ridiculous. Picking him on the top. Careful. It's all soft. It's soft as an ox. This dog gonna eat a dog gonna eat the more eel. Look at this. There's so many of them. There's so many of them. What is he, the mom or the baby?
You decide.
I think the baby.
And it's very cute.
Yeah, that's the baby. Those are aprons and paint. Those are the things, and water, and those are the things humans made. But all the things like flatfish and blue tangs and great white sharks and octopus and squid and hippo and anglerfish, those types were made by God. Lions, so those, do you know what those all are? Mouths. No, that's dangerous. Those are all mouths. Those are all of the mouths. Let's get pink out. Pink, yellow, black. Black is not very nice color.
And the nostrils? Take some more black.
Well, and then what is black and blue make?
It's like really dark blue. Hello, who are you?
So, the gold.
What?
Squeak, 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 squeak. He got eaten by a cock. What did you get with the feeling that? Because everybody wants to be that moist. That moist goes. Dude, a beautiful. It how beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
Tarzan is fighting him, and then Tarzan's gonna beat him. But first he throws Tarzan off the cliff.
What? So do you need to make Tarzan's eyes and his clothes? What clothes did he have?
He didn't wear any clothes except for a little brown thing like that.
Yes, Henry?
Can I tell you something, Queen?
Yes?
Hey, look at that. That's what he wears. That's what he looks like.
What do you think? Shall we add nostrils to the nose?
Oh yeah, nothing. These could be nostrils.
There underneath, so we don't really see them. Okay, that's fine.
Goal! You're almost done, and I'm almost done. This is the sea.
And who's gonna live there?
Basically, turtles.
Turtles.
Yeah, and this is the island what's gonna be there.
Yeah.
So all my islands are gonna be a wow.
So what color do we need for the islands?
Sand color.
What color is the sand?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Palm trees.
Nice, Ethan. You need to put more, Ethan,
These
okay?
beards. Look, that part. Don't you see?
Let's see yours, Henry. Oh, Henry's looking nice.
I've done a bit more than.
No, because Henry put it at the bottom. Look, turn around. See?
Yeah, I know. Did you know who he is?
And your palm trees as well. Hey Fluffy, what are you doing? Oh, he's looking for his friend, the turtle. Tell him where it is. Oh, there he is. Do you know what?
It could be a whale.
Look, if you put it underneath, you can see it through. So when the whale goes inside, you can see it like that. Yeah? What do you think?
So did you put water in?
Yeah.
Gonna be a rock star. I don't need to go to school. Gonna be a rock star. We'll be living by the swimming pool. Gonna be a rock
Where's the swimming pool?
star.
I put it